Pivot tables are a great way to summarize lots of data in Excel, but sometimes you want to focus on a specific part of that data, and I'll show you a quick way to do that. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. In this pivot table, I have food sales data for a fictional company, and I've got lots of dates here with each date's sales summarized. I have a few that I'd like to exclude while I look at this data, and I can quickly do that by selecting the dates that I'd like to hide, right-clicking, filter, and hide selected items. So it hid those 4 and it just has the other 4 from that month left. You can also do the reverse and just keep specific data. So maybe I'd like to focus on the first part of June. So I'll select a few records, right-click, filter, and keep only the selected records. So everything else is hidden now, and there are just the 4 that I want to focus on.